People don't buy life insurance. They buy the emotion and the peace of mind that life insurance gives them. Let me explain. So, you've got logic down here and you've got emotion up here. Okay? Now, this is a scale. Okay? Some people, right, will buy with logic. Some people need to know numbers. Some people need to know data, stats, exactly what it's all about. Okay? In order to make a buying decision. Some people buy purely upon emotion. That emotion could be the peace of mind that if they die, they want to make sure that the family gets some money because they want the kids to be looked after, the partner to be looked after, staying the same property. That's an emotional thing, right? The logic is the mortgage is paid off in full and the wife gets 50 grand so then she can pay the school fees and she can go to work and she can have 2 years off work. That's logic. It's data, it's numbers, yeah? Now, I believe, certainly in my experience, most customers are up here. They've got a little bit of logic, but they're certainly more towards emotion, right? Of course, you get customers down here. They're the ones who say, "Will you email it over? I just want to read through it." Because the emotion's not getting them. The questions that you're asking them isn't bringing emotion out. Maybe you want to get better questions. But some people will still want logic and numbers. Then you draw it out with them. You do a share screen and you show them the numbers, what it'll do for them, the price, the sum assured, the term, the stats and all that. Some people you're just talking about this is what it's going to do for you and that's all they want to know. They're not that bothered about the premium, they're not that bothered about the claim stats and all of this. They just want the peace of mind, yeah? So what you need to do in your fact find, you need to cater for these type people, these type people, these type people, and these type people. In your fact find, in your questioning, you need to give them the data because you don't really know at point of sale, certainly in the fact find early on, you don't know if they're a logical buyer or an emotional buyer. So all you can really do is bring out both logic and emotion through your questioning, through your presentation, throughout the fact find to draw them in. It's the only way to do it. But some people will only do logic and say, "Oh, these are the numbers, this is what it does, this is what it pays out," with no emotion. Some people will only talk about that and not that. Get my point? You've got to bring out all different types of people, the more logical or the more emotional people, and the people in the middle, yeah, by your questioning, by the things that you say throughout. So if you like stuff like this and you want to learn a little bit more about how to cater for logical buyers or cater for emotional buyers, it's covered in depth in the Wealthy Advisor Club. We'll go through closing techniques, we'll go through sales processing, we'll go through the questions that need to be asked throughout the fact find to cater for both types of people. And once you understand that and know that and you can use both, you simply sell more protection. You simply sell more mortgages. You can charge a higher fee. You get better retention of customers and more referrals because you know how to work it. You know how to work the system. Yeah. The Wealthy Advisor Club, online community where I cover all of this. If you like this type of content, you want to learn a bit more about it, free 7-day trial. I'll hopefully see you on one of the sessions. I can help you scale more, earn more, do more, protect more customers, and enjoy being a financial advisor. See you there.